A service won't start and the boss wants a reboot. Don't. There's one command that tells you exactly what's wrong. Your service is down. What is the very first command you run? First command always, systemctl status. It shows the state here, failed, and the process that died. Want just the state for a script. Is active gives one word back, failed. Is enabled tells you if it starts on boot. Enabled, so that's not the problem. And to catch them all at once, systemctl -- failed lists every unit that is down. Senior answer, start with systemctl status. It shows the state, the failing process, and recent logs. Is active and is enabled are the quick one-word checks. So status is always your first move, never a blind reboot. Hit follow, because tomorrow you'll read the exact reason it died with journoctl.